inside a 100,000-pound cabbage plant, where precision meets power. Fresh cabbage arrives directly from nearby farms throughout the day. Thousands of cabbages, about to transform into perfect coleslaw. Every production shift begins with strict hygiene protocols and detailed equipment inspections. Once every system is online, the automated production line is ready to begin. Every cabbage is carefully inspected to ensure only premium quality produce enters the production line. AI-powered scanners instantly analyze each cabbage for size, density, and overall quality. Automated conveyor systems move thousands of cabbages smoothly through the factory with remarkable efficiency.
We have an anomaly in batch 7B right here. Yeah, let me recalibrate the sorter. The density is off.
Only the finest cabbages continue. The journey to transformation begins. Powerful washing drums remove dirt and field debris from every cabbage.
Multiple cleaning stages ensure every cabbage meets strict food safety standards.
Every cabbage is thoroughly cleaned to remove dirt and prepare it for food-grade processing.
The flow rate on line 3 is slightly low. Adjusting the pressure now. Looks stable.
Multiple rinse stages ensure every cabbage meets strict food safety standards.
powerful air dryers prepare every cabbage for the precision cutting line. Washed, purified, and perfectly prepared, every cabbage is now ready for precision cutting and the hypnotic shredding process. Each cabbage is automatically cored to ensure perfectly uniform shredding. Precision robotics position every cabbage for identical cutting results. This graph shows a slight variance in the cutting speed.
Yes, I see it. Let me recalibrate the servos.
Every cabbage half is perfectly aligned before reaching the high-speed shredders. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Watch whole cabbages transform into millions of perfectly shredded ribbons.
Thousands of pounds of cabbage enter the shredding line every hour.
In just a fraction of a second, every cabbage begins its hypnotic transformation into perfect coleslaw ribbons.
This is where every cabbage begins its incredible transformation into perfectly shredded coleslaw.
Within seconds, a whole cabbage becomes millions of crisp, uniform ribbons.
Thousands of pounds of cabbage are shredded every hour with incredible precision.
The throughput on line 3 is exceeding the target by 10%.
Yes, and the moisture content is stable.
Every shredded cabbage ribbon is designed for the perfect crunch. This mesmerizing cabbage snowfall is the signature moment of modern coleslaw production. From solid cabbage heads to perfectly shredded ribbons in just seconds, the transformation is complete, and quality inspection comes next.
This section looks a little thick here.
Yeah, I see that. It's acceptable. It's acceptable.
Every cabbage package is securely sealed to lock in freshness from the factory to your table. Every cabbage package receives a unique batch code for complete product traceability and food safety.
Perfectly packaged, perfectly protected, these fresh shredded cabbage products are now ready for distribution to supermarkets around the world. Every carton of fresh shredded cabbage is securely sealed to preserve quality during transportation. From fresh cabbage fields to perfectly shredded coleslaw, every step is powered by precision,